Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your favorite boy Poppy, aka whatever you want to call me. Isaac, out of breath, high blood pressure. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Hold on. Anyways, you already know who it is. It's your favorite boy Poppy, aka Poppy Beauty, aka Isaac, aka whatever you want to call me, just as long as you call me, okay? Ring ring, hello, who this? Uh-oh. Thank you for calling me. So, we're outside. This is Mobile, Alabama. This is Mobile, Alabama. I'm not in New York. I'm not in Pennsylvania. I'm not in Philadelphia. I'm in Mobile, Alabama. How did this happen? 2 days ago was 70 degrees. To give you some context. 2 days ago was 70 degrees. And they said apparently this is historical. I got boogers. It's like history. Because it hasn't snowed like this in, I don't think, ever. And then we got blizzard watches, blizzard warnings. What's going on? Anyways, it's been a long time since I've seen you guys. I'm not even in the right attire. Under here, I'm in, you see this? I got my Timbs on. But aside from that, we don't have winter clothing like that. We don't. And it's because it's usually hot. Like I said, 2 days ago it was 70 degrees. And here we are today. And it's 28 degrees. Yeah. You heard me, right? It's 28 degrees in Mobile, Alabama. And it's snowing. Like, look at this. Look at this. I can't make this up. Bruh, did I just wake up in New York? Did we just wake up in New York?
Not quite.
Do you see what's behind me? This is not New York. This is Mobile, Alabama. Okay? This is Mobile, Alabama. And I don't have the attire for this clearly, so I'm in my Trixie robe. Yeah, it's a Christmas miracle, and it's not even Christmas.
It does melt pretty fast, like one step.
I'm surprised there's even snow on the floor. Like, truly. This is not a drill. This is not New York. Look at the cars. They're all covered. This is not New York. I'm gonna say that again. This, again, is not New York. We are in Mobile, Alabama, girl. Just 3 months ago, it was 98 degrees. 98 degrees. Clearly, things are different. Am I in Colorado? Am I in New York? I don't know. Take a guess. I know. You gotta wipe this one.
Look at this, the whole side.
Guys, are we in Colorado or are we in New York? Are we in Vermont? Are we in... Where are we? Pennsylvania? Philadelphia? Anyways, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite boy Poppy, and we are up. It is 11 o'clock in the morning and it's snowing in Mobile, Alabama. And I'm pretty sure the neighbors are like talking, but it's me. It's me. I'm from New York and I'm shocked. I can't believe it. Look at this. Look at this. From here, it's gonna start raining soon. This is gonna turn into rain over time as it gets warmer. Because it's not that cold to stabilize. Hey guys, so we are about to go outside because it's snowing, duh, and we're snowed in. Everywhere is closed. The roads are closed, so not too much in my apartment. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but do y'all see that?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, help. Ah! Alex.
It's cold as hell.
Hey guys, this is my brother Alex, right?
Like the wind's coming from that way.
Hold on.
You didn't even find me, bro.
Oh my god, guys, we don't have clothes for this weather.
We have clothes for this weather.
Look at this. Look at this. Snowing, like it's snowing. What time is it?
9.
Look at this, guys. It's snowing.
what's in here?
We might get like
Coffee?
Is it sweet?
Oh yeah, it's sweet. It's like dark and sweet. You want some? You can have some.
Oh, the waterfall.
You that cold? Let's go over here. I'm front. You guys go in front. Yo. It's like a blizzard. This is Mobile, Alabama. Almost fell. This is Mobile, Alabama. Look at this. Oh no, it's cold.
Oh shit.
I forgot. Oh, you know I got a pair of Timberlands in the room. Hold on. I'm about to go put on my Timberlands.
You bet. I swear to God. Ken, I swear. I will run at you.
Guys, this is crazy.
I'm gonna tackle your man.
Can you hold this, Alex?
No.
Please? Shut. Just hold it right here from the base. Oh my God.
Hit him in the balls. It's in my mouth. Get your camera.
snowflakes.
Guys, it's freezing. Run! Run! Yeah, my feet are cold. I'm going to put on my Timberlands. Where's your Uggs? That's what you need to be wearing. Come on, let's put on some better shoes.
Don't be running too fast.
I'm gonna get sick. I was already sick. Lord help me.
No.
What are those? He got on a Lord Fard quad.
Quad.
Non-slip. Non-slip.
The four quads.
I got on
They're cute. What are y'all hating on my shoes for,
You
bro?
look like you finna go gliding through the snow.
You could tell who's the New Yorker. You know.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
His face says it all.
He wants to cry.
Oh, the non-slips are better.
I forgot to put my...
Ooh, look at the footsteps though. A little charm in the middle.
These are literally brand new. And I haven't been able to wear them. These are my Timberlands, my Timbos. Not the constructions though, but they still cute or whatever.
Your man being upset next to you. Look, he was out here throwing snow earlier. He ain't about it now. He said it's too cold now.
You have the heater on, right?
Yeah, Tiger it. Yo, we outside. It is clearly we don't have anything for the winter. Oh my God. I wish I caught that on camera. Guys, this snow is deep. It's about like a good foot. Look, I'm wearing Timbs. Guys, I'm wearing Timbs. Boom. Look how deep it is. This is not supposed to happen. Okay? Like, there's a lot of snow around here. There's a lot of snow. Look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna take some Polaroids real quick and I'll come back. Oh my God, look how rosy my cheeks are. That's not blush. It's
Bro, there's
genetics.
some big pieces falling.
Yeah, this is snow. It's starting to slow down though, I noticed.
I feel like it's getting bigger.
That means that it might be raining soon.
Do you see that?
Yeah. But it slowed down a lot from when we was out here.
Some of these are getting big.
Should we bring the cat?
No.
We should.
It's cold.
We could hold them really tight in our...
No.
and just show them the snow.
I showed Evie out the window.
What? It's the same amount.
It looks like
It's just because we're on this side where
Oh.
everything's white. So you can't see the contrast of the snow anymore.
No, it's calmed down a little bit.
It looks
I
like
think
it's
the wind
getting.
has calmed down.
It looks
but
like the flakes are getting bigger to me.
they get chunky. They get
You
big.
see, like it wasn't like this earlier.
I'm spilling coffee all over myself. Huh?
Earlier they were all little flakes. Now we're getting real snowflakes.
Dabu Doris, Dabu Doris. It does look that good.
On that little screen, yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, your favorite boy Poppy. I'm recording on my Canon. I haven't recorded on this Canon in forever. So if the audio sucks, I'm sorry. If the visuals suck, I'm sorry.
I'm out. It just gets snowing.
But look at this. It's snow. Guys, it's snowing in January 2025. Guys, this is insane. Again, I'm recording on my Canon, so the audio is probably really off. And this is not gonna be like in 4K. This is a 4K camera actually, which I love. It's a Canon SX60HS. But I usually record on my iPhone, so there's that. But I want to try to record on here. I haven't used my camera in forever. So this might be the podcast camera. Because it doesn't look bad at all. I forgot how good this camera was.
I can't believe my job had a snow day.
Whew. Yeah. Hi, Evie. Look, I wanted them to see the snow. Hi, Evie.
What is that?
So they get to see a little bit of snow. They can't go outside though. They're not outside cats. Even though they're microchipped and fixed, they're still not outside cats. Miss Vanjie. There's my baby. We wanted them to see the snow. Miss Vanjie. Hi.
It will melt,
Hi, Mama.
but
You can't come outside, but you can see the snow at least.
yeah, because by then all the snow
Hi.
might even be frozen solid.
She's looking at the snow.
No, like I don't even think people can drive.
You see the snow, Mama? Guys, it's snowing. Babe, come here. Oh, look at this.
I got it in my eye.
We have to wear robes because we don't have the proper attire for this. Why? Because we live in Mobile, Alabama, bitch. That's why. How the hell is this happening? It's been snowing for hours now. I'm sure you guys saw earlier. It's literally been snowing for hours.
A big pile.
Come here, babe. It's freezing. This is how you make a proper snowball. Okay. Oh, it's freezing. My hands are cold. As you can see, we're outside. Never did I think I would ever do this in Mobile, Alabama. And I'm from Brooklyn, New York. So the math ain't mathin'. The math ain't mathin'. Oh man, my hair is wet from all the snow. Ooh, ooh. Everybody's outside playing. Come on, let's snowball fight.
No, I'm cold, bro.
Come on.
Your hands are red. You're hot.
Ah! It's freezing. It's freezing.
You didn't even get that one.
Look at my hands. Look at my hands. It's freezing. Look at my cheeks. This isn't blush.
All right, I think we're going to the middle.
Guys, this is insane. If you're seeing this, this is real. This is history. I think we was watching the news and they said the last time this happened was never, because Louisiana and Texas is under a blizzard watch. We are in Mobile, Alabama, and it's clearly, it's been snowing since 10 o'clock in the morning.
I can't tell him. Hey Siri, flip the camera.
At least I'm getting my car going for the day.
What is? Let's go to the Yeah, there's just like 30 people.
So yeah, guys. Okay. I'll show you the front view. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Can you guys see? Look at that. All of that snow. All of that snow. All of that white you see on the top of the apartment building is snow. Sorry, we're off-centered. But yeah. And it's only January like 21st. It's January 21st. And it's snowing. But yeah, guys, I can't believe this is where we're at. I can't believe that this is Mobile, Alabama. And I'm walking in 1.5 feet of snow. Okay, I'm 5'11". I'm 5'11", and clearly my feet are in the snow. Like, do you guys see that? It's insane. It's literally insane. And this is like the heaviest the snow is supposed to get today, I think. I might as well be a news anchor because I'm over here covering this for you. But we're just outside and I was playing in the snow. I'm gonna show you guys having a snow day, and really everything's closed. So you really can't do nothing but play in the snow. And I really shouldn't be out here because I'm sick. I'm still getting over a cold. But it's okay. Look, he's so coherent. Look at him. We don't have on the right clothes. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I think I'm gonna come back out here later and take some more pictures. We took some Polaroids, which I'll show you in a bit when we get inside the house. But yeah, we're about to go in because it's freezing. Bye. Almost 5 o'clock and it's still freezing outside. Let me show you my view. Here's the views. I feel like the camera's not even doing it justice. So here's what it looks like right now. I feel like the camera's not even... Oh. 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 Yes, I busted.
Did that earlier too, right there.
Oh.
Luckily there's snow on the ground.
Earlier I felt right here.
Oh, that's gonna bruise. I'm gonna bruise right on my ass. Oof. That hurt.
This is where I feel like earlier I fell right here.
Don't go near it again. Well guys, I just got that on camera. I busted my butt right here. Hurts so bad. I'm definitely gonna bruise on my butt. Luckily I got a big butt, so I caught the fall. I didn't break a back, thank God. Yeah. It's super deep. Guys, look how deep. I got on Timberlands. Look at that. It's deep.
Here, no one's walked over here, so it's really deep.
OMG. Guys, this is freaking January. Oops. Oh yeah. This is insane. I still can't believe that it snowed like this. And I think we broke a record. Like, this is historical. Like, this is historical for the amount of snow we got here in Mobile. Right, babe? I think. Huh? Like, this is a lot of snow. That snow over there is really hard. Like, it turned into ice. That's why I fell.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna come skating.
I know somebody was dying laughing at me. Somebody saw that. Somebody had to have seen that. There's a dog park right behind me. And as you can see, it's covered in snow. I'm not going in there because there's probably poop in there.
I know, I low-key want to though.
There's poop up in there. I'm not going up in there. But whatever. This is a lot of snow. And it's still snowing. So I wonder how much more snow are we gonna get for the day? We'll see. They said it's supposed to stop snowing at 6 o'clock. It's like about to be 5. So I don't know if that's the case. Look at the trees. Wow. There's a lot of snow here. Ooh, it's like a winter wonderland. This is insane. I swear to you, just like a couple of days ago, it was 70 degrees. Yeah. It's not too deep right here. It's just a lot of it. Over here, it's a lot of snow.
Here for some reason. It just depends where you step.
I don't know. Hopefully, okay, this is recording. You smell that? It smells like a barbecue.
What?
Yeah.
One of them are probably cooking.
Yeah, this is insane. I fell down hard, pretty hard, honestly. I wonder what the pool looks like. You want to go? Let's go see what the pool looks like, guys. The pool's still good though. You can kind of see. Look at all that snow that's on the roof. Snow. Ooh, sorry. Whew. This is insane. You see, we got a pool back here because it's normally hot. It's normally never this cold. Look at the look at the roof. This is covered right here. This is like the center. You can see you can't even see the sky because of all the snow. Careful. This is cement over here. Oh, it's ice. It's ice.
Stops.
We're going ice skating. Oh my gosh. All right, let's walk back. I'm dying. Okay, guys, so I think that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. Maybe not. I'm gonna make some homemade chicken noodle soup, so I guess I could include you guys on that. And we're gonna end our day on homemade chicken noodle soup and wine, period. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for almost 400 subscribers, guys. We're almost there. Let's keep it going and make the familia even bigger. So much for watching my YouTube channel, watching my vlog. It's winter, girl. Burr. She cold. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to stay safe and get paid, because what? That's what life's about. That's what life's about. Period. And enjoy life. Get outside, go outside, girl. Fall down once. Fall down in some snow. Well, guys, we was running all around here, but there's so much snow and it's freezing outside. It stopped snowing, but it says it might snow. Who knows? It's like 7 o'clock right now. Well, girl, I'm freaking out. It's freezing out here, and I'm out here with just a sweater. Hi. You see the snow? You see the snow? Hi. Look, watch her. You better hold her so she don't try to jump out. Miss Vanjie, you see the snow? She loves the snow. Guys, look how beautiful it is out here. It's still snowing. And it's 6 o'clock. Still snowing. This is insane. We're still outside. Look how pretty it is at night though. All the lights make it look really cute. This is the aftermath. This is the day after, as you can see, it's melting. But there's still snow on the floor. So that's kind of shocking for here. And it's almost 1 o'clock.